Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive links on your Linktree so you can keep your profile organized without deleting anything permanently. So let's dive right into the video. First, open your Linktree app, or you can simply open it through the browser. After you open it and log in to your account, you will see all your links on the dashboard right here. If you haven't added any dashboard or haven't added any links to your Linktree, you can simply add it to here. As you can see, I have not added any links right now, so I will simply guide you on how to do it. Scroll to the link you want to archive, and next to it you will see a small toggle switch or an archive option depending on your plan, that is free plan or paid plan. Simply click the toggle or archive button. The link will disappear from your public profile but remain in your account for future use as well. You can always go to the archive link section in your dashboard to restore or permanently delete any links that you don't want or that you might want to add later on your profile. And that's it guys. Archiving your Linktree links is super easy and keeps your profile clean and organized. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more quick tutorials, comment down below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.